In this video, I'm going to talk about Reef. With this platform, you can turn your long videos into the viral AI shorts, and the best thing, it is going to automatically find the speaker, adding the B-rolls, it can add the emojis, it can add the captions. All this stuff will be done by the AI. So in this video, I'm going to give you a detailed overview showing out its features, what are the best things, and how you can get its lifetime deal that is back again for the Black Friday. Without wasting any more time, let me get started. So hey guys, this is Basant here. I review SaaS and AI tools regularly, so make sure to subscribe this channel to stay updated. I already done a detailed review video on the Reap last year, and this is the new features going on the platform. So this is the detailed review I am doing again. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button if you are going to like this video here. So once you got its lifetime deal, it is starting from the really affordable pricing. Tier 1, Tier 2 or the Tier 4 plans available we have, and every plan have the higher limits of the videos you can turn into the shorts or the clips. Here it has the AI captioning, it can add the your clips, and it can automatically add the roles. It has the dubbing and the subtitle feature available. That is the really quite amazing feature I'm going to show you. Okay, then we have the really good export and the upload quality available. We have the collaborations. So all these features you are going to get in the every lifetime plan. So if you want to check it out, the lifetime plan, the link will be given in the description. And there's also the 30 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you are not happy with the plan, just return it and your 100% money will be back. This is the really crazy feature for the Black Friday. So let's back to the dashboard, and we are on the home page. We have to simply get starting to generating the clips. So we have this process available. We are going to click here on the generate clips. So right now I'm going to use any of the my videos link. So you can also upload the video from your device by dragging and drop, or what you can do, simply paste the YouTube link here. So this is the video I'm going to use. This is the my detailed review of the Reap. So I'm going to turn it into the clips. So simply paste, click here on the get clips. Now it will start working out. So it can take around the 2 or 3 minutes depending on the how longer video you have given out. And so it is processed, and now it is asking me to select few things like the talking, in which I have to select the language, and if I want to dub it, I can do it in the live here. So right now this is the language, and I want to translate it into the another language. So if I scroll down below, let me see what is the languages available here. Let me click. Okay, so I think there is the right now only the few languages available that you can select from here. Then this is the orientation. You want to change it to the landscape, square, or the portrait. So I will go with the portrait because this is already the landscape video, and I want to turn it into the shorts or the reels. So portrait will be the good, the resolution. So I will go with the 1080 or 720. So 720 is good for me because I want to instantly show you out. Then this is the caption presets available. So some of the best popular AI creators captions it is going to show you. You can choose from them. So I am going to check out this one, that is the beastie caption, they have named it. Then the processing time, I will just make it around the few part of the video to turn into the clips. So I will have selected that. I can also select the auto clips length. I will make it around the 30 to 60 seconds, but I can go up to the 3 minutes. That is the really good thing. Okay, then the clips topic option. This is the keywords basically you can add if you have these certain things you want to be the cut out already as the shorts or the clips. You can mark it with the your keywords, okay, or the comma separators. You can add the multiple keywords. So everything is done here. Now you have to simply click here on the get clips. Now it will start getting the clips, cutting out your videos based on the things you have just configured here. I can also do the for the presentation and the gaming here. Okay, so right now this video is for the tutorial or the explainer video. That's why the settings I have done for that. Now you can see this is the estimated time it will take to turn all this stuffs into the clips here. So once this is the thing done here, I'm going to show you results and share the results with you. So please wait with me. And here my clips are ready. You can see it has created me around the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 clips here. So every clip I got the few things that let me give you the walkthrough. First of all, this is the virality score. The higher or the closer it is to 10, the higher the engagement rate you can get on this clip here. Then I got this caption here, I got the transcript here. So these things I can instantly just check out for every reel or the short it has generated for me. I can just download this reel, or I can also share with my social media profile. So right now, suppose I want to do some changes, so I will click here on the edit button, and now this reel will be the starting to get edit for your timeline editor that will be the hosted on the Reap platform as well. So not only you have just turned your long video into the clips, now you are also editing it here. So this is the timeline editor here, and there's also the few things that you need to know before you actually edit the video. So this is the walkthrough here. From here you can add the text. This is for the captions, this is for adding the b-rolls. Okay, so I can just change the captions from here. I don't like it here, I can just choose this one. I can add the b-rolls here. So there the videos, images and audios you can add in the b-roll here, and this is the assets that you can upload from your device, and then you can add in your reel. So once everything is done, you want to cut any part here, you can also do that with this cutting option. So suppose your reel or short is ready, simply click here on the save, and now you can export it here. Okay, so it is being saved right now. Now I will click here on the export, and this is right now is ready to download, or you can just share directly to your social media profiles. Okay, so this is the feature I have showed you right now. So let me back to the its main dashboard here. So this is the if I go to the project section, this is the project section. Here I can show you the video that I have recently turned into the clips here, and if I click here, it will open up and show me all the reels. So this is the easiest way I have showed you right now. There's so the brand templates available you can access. You have the calendar available that will show you all of your scheduling and the content status. And like I said, you can also share your reels that you have just got with the Reap into your social media account. So we have the connectivity available with your YouTube, TikTok and the Instagram. Simply connect here, and once you connected, the sharing option will be the live here. So I have shown you all the core feature, but still there are some features I want to talk about. First of all is the auto reframing, AI dubbing, transcription, eye correction and the noise removal. So you can also check out these features as well. So some of the features right now in the coming soon mode, but some of them right now you can check it out here. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, I suppose, get its lifetime deal, that is you can access on the AppSumo. We have the 3-tier plans available, and every tier plan can give you the more credits, caption limits and the reels you can cut in time in the way of the minutes it is offering you. Okay, so so if you want to check it out, this deal link is given in the description, and what I suggest, go to my YouTube channel, also subscribe this channel to stay updated with all the latest AI videos, reviews, SaaS tools I regularly upload on my channel. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.